Hi guys, it's Makuba here. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a private policy page. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your WordPress website. Once you're there, you simply scroll down and you click on settings, after which you click on privacy. So once you're there, you scroll down and you click on what? Create. Or if you have already a privacy policy page that you have already created, you simply need to choose it. But if you don't have, you simply click on what? Create. So after which you can see we're just on creating our privacy policy page, as you can see. So we'll scroll down, we'll glance on it, we'll read it. So after that, you simply click on what? Publish. We'll click on pre-review changes. So that's it. And if you want to add this private policy page on your menu page, you simply click on appearance. After that, you click on menu. So once you're there, you can simply choose the privacy policy page section. It here, this is here. Click on it. You click on add to menu. After that, you simply click on what? Save changes. Let's go with location. That's the yep. Okay. So we are going to verify. So guys, this is here, the privacy policy page we just created. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.